Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing it really well. There is a bug that is just testing me, flying around my face. Hi, go away bug. I've got a Occult box here today. This is my second one. I have cancelled my subscription purely just because I felt like last time £25 for what I got was quite a lot, but today might change my mind and I might reinstate my subscription. But yeah, it is a monthly subscription box. I think it was a £25, possibly free postage or add postage. I'm not sure. I'll put it on the screen. I can't remember. But yeah, and it's got like occult goodies and gothic goodies and all that fun stuff, and I cannot for the life of me work out how to open this box. Why am I being so thick? Why am I being so thick? Why am I being so thick? I'm so tired. My brain is just not, she's not with it today at all. Are you gonna open now? Yeah, I got it. I work out how a box works. Oh, it's pretty. Pretty, look. So we've got a little, something smells good. We've got a little card that says Mabon blessings. The trees are about to show us how lovely it is to let things go. That's really pretty, a little card. And then we've got some little fabric leaves, cute. And then a lolly. And then yeah, it just says an autumn day. So let's have a look. I haven't got any discount codes. This is all paid for by me. I will leave all the links down below, whether it's their Instagram or their website. I'll leave it all down below for you guys to have a look and see what you think. This is the box. The first thing I've got is pumpkin spice. I nearly bought a pumpkin spice latte today because I've never had one. But then my friend Rosie was like, oh, that sounds horrible. And I was like, fine, I won't. But yeah, pumpkin spice. Be inspired by popular coffee shops and make your seasonal pumpkin spice latte for an afternoon pick-me-up. Simply add a teaspoon to your coffee. Sprinkle over a warm bowl of creamy oats. Try your hand at pumpkin pie for a Halloween-inspired treat and add to your baking for muffins. So let's have a little sniff of this. I don't know if this is what I can smell or if it's something else I can tell. Cool. Oh. It's nice. It's just very powerful. Don't sniff it like that. It's like cinnamon, but predominantly clove, which is just very, like punch you in the face. Not sure I would like that in a coffee. We'll see. But yeah, pumpkin spice, very autumnal. I've got a little bag here with a necklace, or it's a little choker. Ooh, a pretty, is it a choker? And it's got a pumpkin on it. That's cute. Isn't it? That's really cute little choker. I like that. Oh, I can't believe how powerful that oh no, is it a choker or is it a necklace? No, it's a choker. It's a little choker. Pretty. How powerful that spice was. Oh, it feels like I've got it like right up my nose. Next up, I've got some cute little leaves. I think these are for putting photos on. Or just little decorative leaves. They're little wooden ones. They're super cute. They're on little pegs. I like them. Super cute. I've got a little sticker that says pumpkin spice is everything. That will be going on my fridge because I collect stickers and magnets on my fridge because I am a teenager. Not even a little bit. I've got some socks with pumpkins on. These are really soft. Super cute. I like that, and they're so soft. Ooh, I wish I had like a nightie made of that, or just pyjamas made of that, because they're so soft. I've got a candle. Oh, that smells good. This is a Yankee Candle, and it says apple pumpkin, and on the bottom it says US dollars, £1.19 or $1.99. But yeah, that's just a little Yankee Candle. That's nice. It smells really good. Not gonna lie. Why have I got some sticks? What are you? I've got some sticks. I don't. Are you incense? Is that what this is? there's a little thing here. Sorry, my battery died. I think because I've got these sticks and I don't know what they were, but then there's this little bit of ribbon and it says Palo Santo wood incense, and it says take a stick and light it and allow the stick to burn for a few seconds and then blow it out. Use to smudge. What? I don't understand what that means. Am I being thick? I don't understand what that means. Use to smudge. Can someone please let me know what that means? Because I'm very, very confused. Let me know. Next I've got some little candles. These are cute. Ooh, they smell good. They look like little tea lights in the metal, but they're little flowers. Super cute. Then I've got something here. What are you? It's a coaster. A little coaster with a tree. Is it a yeah, it is a coaster because it's got the dots on the back. That's quite cute. Can see it if I... No, there you go. Sort of see it. That's nice. I've got a wooden leaf. I'm unsure what I will do with that, but it's a leaf. I've got something in here that says Simon's Nest. I've got a print that says pumpkin soup, which is cute. I love that. That's going to go in a frame. That's lovely. And then I've got a little pin badge, which is super cute. A little witch on it. And then a key ring, which has got the same witch on one side. And then it has a little Halloween scene on the other. And then, right at the bottom, I think it's a countdown to Halloween. Are you a countdown to Halloween? It is. Oh my god, I love that. That is so cute. Look, this slate, so you can write on it how many days to Halloween with chalk. I absolutely love that. Is there some chalk in here? No, there's no chalk. I'm sure I've got some chalk somewhere, so that's fine. I love it. That has made the box. That is brilliant. I absolutely love that. This box is definitely better than the last box. I had a lot of comments of people saying everything from the last box could be bought from like the dollar shop or the pound shop kind of thing, and then they charge 25 quid for it. But this is much better value. I feel like this is really lovely. And then I love these. They're super, super cute. Much, much better value box. Very impressed with that. I will have a little think. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think I should resubscribe and just continue to get this? Or is there another kind of alternative box that you would like to see me unbox? Let me know. And let me know what I'm supposed to do with these, because I'm confused. So yeah. If you like these videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I have got like another 3 videos to film now. So if you are watching this one and then there's another one where I look exactly the same, it's because I am mass filming while the children are asleep. So yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.